Okay, today we are teaching my cousin Inkem how to Southern dance when she goes to Navarro College. Okay, hold on. Don't hold this. So, you're going to move your legs, take your arm out, walk that, walk that, walk that. Oh shit! Walk that, and then what? Walk that. Okay. Let me see. Now move your arm. I'm about to do double dutch. Move your arm. Here we go. Here comes the arm. One. Here we go. No. It's like move your arm this way and go back. Oh, that's like doing it. Oh.